Good morning everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural's channel. So today I am showing you my workout routine. It's quite simple and I usually start off my workout at 6 a.m. I do have a fitness channel called Try This Workout. So this is my workout area. As you can see, everything is set up for me to work out, and what I do is I just pick a workout routine that I want to try and I record as I try it. So of course you guys can always join in on my workout. So I'm gonna do a couple of workouts today. I'm doing jumping jacks, and then after that I'm going to lift some weights. So I'll show you some things that I do, and then I'm also going to show you some things I consume to help not only my health, not only my skin, but also my gut and also my hair and nails and everything like that. So keep watching and thank you so much for clicking this video. Hi everyone, welcome to today's workout. Thank you so much for coming to Try This Workout channel. On today's workout we're going to be working out to Therese Anthony is in the military, and we're doing is jumping jacks weight loss workout. So one of the things that I also do is I use Bellway products for my health and also for my body, as I said. If you guys want to get Bellway and you have Amazon, I have it also pinned. I have an Amazon link. You can see it on my Amazon page, and I've been using this for a long time. If you are wanting to get rid of some weight, if you have, like, you know, those weights that just hang in there, taking fiber supplement is very important, and it really helps you in getting rid of those pesky, I would say pesky pounds that keeps on hanging in there. And they also help you against bloating, breakout. Now this fiber supplement is made from selenium husk. It is all natural. It has different flavors, so it comes in different flavors, not only raspberry and lemon. It also comes in mixed berries. You take this about 1 to 3 times a day, and to take it, you just mix it with water. You can blend it also with your smoothie, and it really helps out. Now one thing that I also like is that not only that Bellway has this fiber supplement, they also have fiber supplement with collagen. If you know, collagen is really good for your skin. So if you're breaking out, if you have skin issues, or even your hair, if you have issues with your hair, it also helps with that. This product has non-GMO products in it, so it's really good. You can drink this 1 to 3 times a day, and you just mix it with water or even blend it with your smoothie, and you drink it and you're good to go. I'm really happy that Bellway decided to sponsor this video, so you guys please check them out, and let me show you how I mix them. Please use my code, which gives you 20% off your first order, and you can use it to get these Bellway products, which will help also detoxify your system. So I just mix 1 cup of this, or 1 scooper of this, and just quickly mix it, because you know, with anything with fiber, it can be turned into gelatin. And once you mix it, you see how easily it dissolves. So once I've mixed it, I just drink it. Now one thing I like about this supplement is that it doesn't have any chalky feeling at all. again tomorrow at 6 a.m. Bye guys, see ya. I'm done with my cardio workout. Now it's time to lift some weights. Okay guys, so I'm done with lifting weights, and usually I will go outside and walk for about 40 minutes to an hour if I can get that in. But since it's really cold outside today, I'm going to work out on my treadmill. So I have my treadmill over there, and I'm going to work out on my treadmill. And yeah, so I just do about an hour on my treadmill because it's not so cold outside. It's because it's so cold outside. Okay guys, so I've finished working out on the treadmill. So the next thing that I do is I fill up my jug of water, and this is my jug of water for the day. So I usually drink about this is like 64 to 75 ounces every day. It's very important for you to drink water. I cannot say that much more, but it's very important for you to drink water. It really helps your body, helps your health so much. I hope you guys enjoyed my routine. Please check out Bellway products. They're really good to help you with your gut. Drink your water. With anything with fiber, you want to drink your water. Please check the description area, the comment area. I'm gonna pin all the codes and everything there. Thank you so much for watching, and please feel free to join me on my fitness channel. Try this workout, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. Mwah.